Hey everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the features and options, then of course make my way around, go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Convertible, as you can see there. It is presented in the Estoril blue, and of course we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding these very nice 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. They are a handful of the newer style Mperformance alloy wheels, and they look fantastic set against the Estoril blue colour. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. You will of course already be able to see the very nice black Dakota leather. In this vehicle, we've got the M highlights on the Dakota leather seats. By that we do of course mean we've got the lovely M stripes stitched into the seats there, along with the blue stitching throughout. Alongside that, the front seats come with both the heated, the electric option and electric memory for driver's side, along with having the air collar. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with the convertible comfort package, and we'll get on to more about that very shortly. You will also see in the rear the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, and again all of the rear seats are in fantastic condition, along with that centre folding armrest, and is a very spacious, very comfortable place to be. And of course with that roof down, we've got all the headroom in the world. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, where we've got both the high gloss rear diffuser and high gloss rear boot spoiler. And of course one of the sticking points for most convertible vehicles is the size of the boot, and you're thinking exactly the same thing on this vehicle. However, fear not, BMW think of everything by providing us with this little unique button. This will allow you to partly lift the roof out of the storage compartment to gain access to the full luggage compartment that you do get on the 4 Series convertible, which is a surprisingly large one. You then lift that luggage cover up, and there you can see just how much space you do have, and that extends right back to the rear of the seats, giving you a very lengthy boot space. Bearing in mind, of course, it is a convertible vehicle. We then shut that back down and of course close the boot all back nice and neatly away, of course making that a more usable or everyday vehicle certainly. Making our way on now, again just showing you off the nice condition that this vehicle is. A very nicely presented car. Before I go on in and take a seat, where of course I will put the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action. And of course towards the end of the video I will step back outside the car and show you what the vehicle looks like with the roof closed. Starting the car up, where again another feature of the 420D is the fact that it is a very nice and quiet diesel engine, so of course it will not disturb any of your roof down driving experience. Roof operation is a particularly quick and easy one. We simply just push this button here, and the 2 buttons in front of that is to activate that air collar which I was mentioning earlier. And again we'll just take a quick look at that. You can activate this roof up to speeds of up to 15 miles an hour, and being it is a very quick operation, it can be done at a set of traffic lights. You will also see here we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, giving us a few more features and functions. That little audible noise you may have just heard is to let us know that the roof operation is now complete. The vehicle has covered a very low mileage of just over 24,000 miles. Another feature of that convertible comfort package I was mentioning is the very nicely heated multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with that activated, the outer rim of the steering wheel will get nice and warm very quickly. Alongside that, other features will be the flappy paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, again all situated on that. Moving back over to this wide screen, you'll be able to see there is the navigation feature, Bluetooth audio and telephone, again there you'll be able to see the DAB screen as well. We've not only just got DAB, we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, so that will cover everything from your Bluetooth audio right through to your AUX and USB inputs that the vehicle also comes with. So that is a run through of this very nice 420D M Sport Convertible. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and of course if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully this has been an aid towards making an informed purchase upon your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and of course if you do have any questions or comments, drop them down below as I mentioned. You'll find all of the relevant contact information and of course website links in the description, where of course you can find prices and funding options for this fantastic looking convertible. We hope to see you very soon here. Do take care, thank you and goodbye.